Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone C65 5G with light feather design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67-inch HD plus punch-hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, approximately 89.97% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 625 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 8 megapixel wide-angle front camera. Video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. Paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 6 GB extended RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76.1 by 7.89 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams, and the color options glowing black, feather green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme C65 5G has been priced for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 10,499 Indian rupees, and 34,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $126 US, while the 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 11,499 Indian rupees, and 37,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $138 US, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 12,499 Indian rupees, and 41,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $150 US. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme C65 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.